When your dog wants attention but you're trying to relax. Small but terrible. Bro was like Godzilla. His bark is loud, but his butt has something to say too. When the dog and cat decide it's cuddle and chaos time. Oops. When your dog wants to help, but doesn't know how.
Stop! Get out of here!
Curiosity got the best of this cat. Wrong enemy. The take me home right now cry.
Okay, bro. You don't want to be at the park no more? Oh.